Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the world of an underrated superfood? Yes, I'm talking about bitter gourd, or as some might call it, bitter melon. Now, before you make a face, hear me out because this peculiar green veggie is a powerhouse of health benefits that you don't want to miss out on. First up, let's talk about the incredible impact bitter gourd can have on your blood sugar levels. This vegetable is a miracle for those managing diabetes. It contains a compound known as carotene, which has been proven to enhance glucose uptake and glycogen synthesis in the liver, muscle, and adipose tissue. This means it can naturally lower your blood sugar levels, making it a fantastic addition to a diabetic diet. But wait, there's more. Bitter gourd is also a champion for your skin. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and C, it fights skin aging and clears up acne, leaving your skin glowing and vibrant. So, if you're looking for natural ways to keep your skin healthy and youthful, bitter gourd should definitely be on your grocery list. And let's not forget about its role in weight loss. This low-calorie veggie is loaded with essential nutrients. It's high in fiber and water content, which helps in keeping you full longer and prevents overeating. If you're on a weight loss journey, incorporating bitter gourd into your diet could give you an extra edge in achieving your goals. Now, if you're wondering how to include this bitter veggie in your diet, don't worry, it's versatile. You can juice it, add it to smoothies, or even cook it in delicious stir-fries. Just remember, a little goes a long way with its flavor. Alright, if you found this information useful and want to learn more about such incredible natural health boosters, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Altruist. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Together, let's make health our priority. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.